Yes guys, it's TT and I'm back hopefully with another video. So I'm back at home. Spend the day with me. Don't ask me where I've been. I'm here now, okay? But just spend the day with me. I'm back at home. Let's see what we get up to. So today is laundry day for me. It's a Sunday. Yeah, let's just do my laundry. Okay, now that's done, but I don't know what to do next. And it's like 7 in the morning. We're in KZN, so we have to be up this early. It's done. My gang, I did something. I did something, so it's flooded right now. Just because I'm doing laundry, oh my goodness. Okay, let me show you guys. So this thing is connected to this. The water drains out, it comes out here, and then the water comes out here, right? So me being I forgot to put it back here. I don't know why I took it out. And now, oh my goodness. The place is flooded because of me. I take responsibility. My socks are wet right now. Oh my goodness. I take full responsibility. That was me. And I also cooked, guys. I also cooked. This is my food. See? This is my food that I'm cooking. Lo ufuna uqhathanisa amakhekhe amani amakhekhe awakhe udinga itherapy magang. Lingawa licoshwe izinkukhu buka nje. Yo. Ngeke nyala. Yo, akekho umuntu obhanje ngomama face ngeke let me explain quick. So my younger brother keeps playing with the tap. Yaphuka ke handle and it's not the first time. Bese siyavala bese ayidzi. Mele sikhiphe le yakho. You.
Yeza.
Funa ukumaza mama.
Sekuphuma khona. Suka.
Okay, quit fast, man. I need movies to watch. Please recommend some movies to watch because I feel like I've watched every movie, every action movie that's out there. I don't do rom-coms. I don't do horror movies, God forbid. Yo! Stay away. I don't do, you see those comedies that are like knock joke type of humor? Like, they're so lame. Give me like dark humor. Give me dark humor, babes. So I need action, comedy. That's it. Yeah, just do your worst in the comments. I don't know. Okay, but I'm about to watch a movie right now. I feel like watching Batman. Or Superman. 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 And I'm giving you 2 seconds to guess what my movie snack will be. Okay, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Bucabanga ukuthi yini? Ama popcorn, ama chipsy. Hayi. Amaqanda. Cha phela uma ungawafuni mfethu ngizowadla mina ungazoyiqhenya like mina.
I